So here she is in all of her beautiful glory. Still an ugly duckling. Still lots of work to do. When you get bored and mess around long enough, I'll have an update video for this thing as well. But, like I said, when you're bored enough, you find things to do. And I did go ahead and paint this tail. As I'm knocking everything over. On this ZX11 prior to painting this gas tank. So just wanted to get some inspiration for the bike. So just wanted to get a bit of inspiration for the bike. I had some paint laying around that I wasn't doing anything with, wasn't going to do anything with. No, this layer of paint is not final. Like I said, I just wanted to get a little bit of inspiration for the bike. Thinking of either going black or going that crazy Kawasaki green. This thing needs a 240 fat tire, maybe a 300. I do have a Vance and Hans for this thing. Let me show you guys the tank since that's what we just got done doing. Once again, this is just paint I had laying around. Just wanted to throw on a bike or on a tank and a tail that probably, I don't know, been sitting outside for the last 15, 16 years or so. But definitely is going to need some love. As you see, I got the valve cover removed. I was taking a look down in there. I'll pop the gas tank off at some point and show it to you guys. This is what we're working with underneath. Definitely going to need some new carbs at some point. Or not new carb. Yeah, either a rebuild or brand new carbs. I'm thinking brand new carbs. Keep these and rebuild them just to learn. Another point that is already an area of concern, if I can get it to focus. These spark plug tube housings are terrible. Terrible. Like I said, this bike has been sitting outside for I don't know how long. So somehow I'm going to have to get these cleaned up, get these spark plugs pulled. I don't plan on doing it, but I am going to pull this motor at some point and just completely tear this thing apart. My thinking is, why not take apart the motor on a bike, which is smaller, something I'm not relying on for transportation necessarily. Take that apart, you know, so if there are any minute hiccups, you know, it was not that terribly of a massive deal or that large of a deal. So we'll get to that at some point, but this bike definitely needs some love. I guess we'll end the video off here.
1996 Kawasaki ZX1100.